M&J Habitat here. It's Friday. Going to go in for another hive inspection. We're at the end of week 10, getting ready to clip into week 11. We know we found queen cups 14 days ago. We're going to go in and make sure we don't have any queen cells. We're going to do a little late fall cleanup, make sure the wax cappings are cleaned out from underneath the bottom screen board, and check for that queen, make sure she's still okay after that clumsy inspection last week. Stay tuned. Well, it looks like we've got drawed wax already, and this super's only been on for, look at that, a few days. Yep. Well. Okay. So that answers that question. They're doing just fine up here in the honey super. Okay. This is where it'll get interesting, sports fans. Here where girls work.
Listen.
Don't want to get them roaring. Little trick I picked up, open the box away from you. Supposedly the bees will fly away from you instead of in your face.
Are you getting the bottom?
This hive is just completely full of bees.
They're stuck pretty good, don't they?
Yep.
This is where it gets interesting too.
What's that?
So this is where it's going to get more interesting. When you pull that top off.
Oh, they're coming out.
Yeah. You got one.
That's what I didn't want to do.
Yep. Now you pissed them off. Oh. Man, is that full?
Yeah. Yeah, it's that full.
They're coming out of the crack.
Yep, it's that full.
Yeah, they're buzzing me. They are. No, you got more than one. Oh.
That thing's heavy.
Well, that's off. Now get into the bottom. Not happy campers. Which one? This one? Is she on? I'm gonna look for her, right?
Well, we want to make sure we got eggs. Primarily, we're looking for eggs today. Fresh larvae. And we don't want any queen cells. As I recall,
Queen cells, yeah.
they're over here. They got this glued up pretty good.
Yeah, you got a little piece of wood there they're on.
Yeah, I know. I squished a bee.
Yeah, I know.
And they smell it.
Yep. Need some more smoke. They're on your face.
Yeah, they're hitting my hand.
Huh. Oh, there's a big drone.
Come on, girls, let me in here. Come on.
A lot of bees. Yeah, they got some honey on that. There's a lot of drones. I don't see any. See eggs?
We're looking for those queen cells.
I'm looking too. I don't see any on this side.
I got capped honey over here. Nectar. I'm gonna need the frame holder. I don't see any queen cups. I don't see any supersedure cells. Set it right here on the outside, baby. Right here on the clear side.
Yeah, they're not happy just being in there.
You see them go after that tool?
There's a lot of them flying around. Yeah, 'cause they got smell on it.
Yeah. Changing up the tools, Dave. They smelt that pheromone on that tool, buddy. And they started getting excited just the minute I stuck it in there.
Look at all that puff. Sticky, how sticky it is.
Yep.
Purposeless.
There's a bunch of bees we squashed in here last time. Okay, cap brood.
See any queen cells
I see
on
some
that?
pollen. I'm looking for larvae. No queen cups?
Don't see any. A lot of new bees.
There's larvae.
Okay.
Right there's larvae. Okay, that's good. That means we got the queen still okay.
Still gonna look for her?
Well, I gotta find those queen cups.
Yeah.
Come on, girls. Let's be nice. And I believe the queen cups should be on this frame right here.
Smoke.
Where's the smoker? Come on, girls. Pollen.
The orange pollen.
Yep. Okay, where's our queen cups?
I don't think they were on that one. That next one's got a lot of honey.
I want to turn this one around because it's not developed on this side. If we face the non-developed... Okay, apologies are in order. That's 2 videos in a row. I had an issue with my camera. I thought it was a battery. Okay, I'm back. I got the camera fixed. Another disaster filming crew. The HD SIM card was full and would not allow me to record. Being the tech geek that I am, it took me a while to figure that out. We got her figured out now. Camera's back up and running and we can film again. So, I'm just going to do a little short closer on what took place there the other day. We still have cap brood. We had fresh larvae. The top honey super is getting drawed out with comb. So we might be making some honey. We'll see what happens here in the real near future. They're telling me we got till the end of the month, so we got a few weeks left. So, having said all that, we'll see what happens here. Thanks for watching, and I'll try to do a better job in the future.